Welcome to the frontier of manufacturing and innovation. 3D printing stands as a transformative power, altering industries and expanding creative horizons. In this year, it evolves rapidly, with breakthroughs in technology and materials stretching the limits of possibility. Join us as we uncover the latest in this dynamic realm of creation. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you. 1. The 3D printer K1 Max. Its price is $899. According to our reviews, it is best fast 3D printer. The K1 Max 3D printer stands tall, a titan in the realm of additive manufacturing, redefining the boundaries of what's possible in prototyping and design verification. Its expansive printing size, measuring 11.81 inches, opens doors to a world of creativity, accommodating multiple models simultaneously and maximizing productivity. With a remarkable 25.5% print volume to printer size ratio, it sets a new standard for efficiency among FDM 3D printers. Equipped with advanced AI technology, the K1 Max ensures precision while minimizing waste. Its AI LiDAR detects issues instantly, guaranteeing flawless first-layer printing, while the smart camera prevents errors by identifying pre-print obstructions. Real-time monitoring and time-lapse shooting capabilities enhance user experience and oversight. Setup is effortless, arriving pre-assembled and calibrated, with automatic leveling eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Speed is another hallmark, boasting a staggering 12x faster printing speed than conventional FDM printers, thanks to an acceleration of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2. Backed by Creality's commitment to customer satisfaction, comprehensive after-sales support ensures peace of mind, reaffirming their dedication to excellence in every aspect of their products. Pros: effortless setup, remarkable velocity, expansion of materials. Cons: potential complexity, malfunction risk, service delays. 2. Aoz X-maker. Its price is $399. According to our reviews, it is best budget 3D printer. Introducing the Aoz X-maker 3D printer, a revolutionary device that simplifies 3D printing. In a world where intricate designs come to life at the touch of a button, the X-maker makes creativity effortless. Gone are the days of tedious assembly and complex calibration. This fully assembled printer is ready to unleash your child's imagination. Its intuitive software and user-friendly interface empower kids to design and print with ease, fostering innovation from an early age. Simplicity doesn't mean sacrificing capability. With its wireless smart one-key printing feature, bringing ideas into the physical realm is as simple as pressing a button. Supporting SD/USB printing, internet connection becomes optional, ideal for STEM education anywhere, anytime. Safety is paramount, especially for children. The X-maker boasts an enclosed design, shielding young users from harmful emissions and hot components. Its leveling-free bed ensures consistent prints, never compromising quality. With impeccable print quality, eco-friendly PLA filament, and ultra-silent operation, the Aoz X-maker 3D printer is more than a tool. It's a gateway to limitless creativity and innovation. Pros: gamified design, precision printing, virtually silent. Cons: connectivity issues, limited size, limited options. 3. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Its price is $379. According to our reviews, it is best innovative 3D printer. Experience the next frontier in 3D printing with the Adventurer 5M series, where innovation meets convenience. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual bed leveling as our one-click automatic printing ensures impeccable results every time. Effortlessly achieve flawless first layers and consistent adhesion, saving valuable time and eliminating frustration. Swift and intelligent, the Adventurer 5M series boasts a core XY structure enabling travel speeds of up to 600 mm/s, ensuring rapid yet precise printing. Equipped with features like quick-change nozzles, filament detection, and power recovery, it operates seamlessly, guaranteeing uninterrupted printing sessions. Make the smart choice with rapid nozzle changes in just 3 seconds. A high-flow 32 mm superscript 3/S nozzle for stable high-speed printing, and a quick 35-second warm-up to 200 degrees Celsius. Experience superior print quality and adaptability with dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and multiple nozzle sizes ranging from 0.25 to 0.8 millimeters, coupled with a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder accommodating various materials. From intricate designs to rapid prototypes, expect nothing less than superior results. Pros: effortless precision, smart versatility, risk-free purchase. Cons: learning curve, limited size, potential clogs. 4. Qidi X-Max 3. Its price is $999. According to our reviews, it is best quality 3D printer. The Qidi Technology X-Max 3 3D printer stands as a pinnacle of innovation in the realm of desktop printing. Crafted with precision and engineered for excellence, this machine embodies the marriage of performance and reliability. At its core lies a robust construction, boasting an ultra-stable all-metal frame and premium components like a 6mm thickness aluminum heatbed plate and hardened hollow steel linear shafts. This sturdy foundation ensures not only smooth and stable printing but also longevity, reducing the need for frequent maintenance and providing peace of mind to users. Moreover, its impressive capabilities extend to its large format and high-speed printing prowess. With a maximum speed of 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, coupled with a spacious printing size of 325 by 315 mm, the X-Max 3 empowers both professionals and beginners alike to bring their ideas to life swiftly and efficiently. Backed by the renowned expertise of our Qidi technology and supported by open-source Clipper firmware and Qidi iLister software, the X-Max 3 not only delivers exceptional performance but also offers ease of use and accessibility. With a free 1-year warranty and lifetime technical assistance, users can rest assured that they're investing in a product that's not just a printer but a partner in their creative journey. Pros: robust frame, simple operation, professional service. Cons: bulky size, narrow filament, technical upkeep. 5. MakerBot SKETCH. Its price is $1,299. According to our reviews, it is best powerful 3D printer. The MakerBot SKETCH emerges as the quintessential 3D printer for both home and educational settings, embodying reliability, accessibility, and educational empowerment. Engineered with a user-friendly design, its enclosed chambers and built-in particulate filters ensure safety and peace of mind, while the heated, flexible build plates facilitate seamless printing experiences. Its integration with MakerBot Cloud revolutionizes file management, enabling effortless access and control of printing queues remotely. This cloud-based solution seamlessly interfaces with popular design software like Tinkercad and Fusion 360, enhancing workflow efficiency. Moreover, MakerBot goes beyond hardware, offering a comprehensive educational ecosystem. With over 600 meticulously curated lesson plans, educators can effortlessly integrate 3D printing into their curriculum. Additionally, the ISD-certified online training empowers teachers and students alike with essential skills and certifications, fostering a culture of innovation and creativity. Pros: consistent quality, dependable performance, engaging lessons. Cons: potential defects, slow printing, complex setup. In conclusion, this year marks a pivotal moment for 3D printing, positioned as a vanguard of technological progress. Its evolution promises limitless potential, reshaping industries and fostering creativity. As we embrace its advancements, we embark on a journey of boundless innovation and growth. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.